Hi everyone here. This is Y from Limitless Trading. Today I'm going to show you a few features from our new Smart Trader EA. So Smart Trader is a semi-auto expert advisor to help trader to perform manual trading using trading best practice such as favorable risk-reward ratio. So I will show you a few features here so that you will understand how it works. So basically on my screen you can see I already have my Smart Trader on Euro USD on a 1 minute chart. Of course you can trade with multiple time frame as you wish. And left hand side you can see we have a trading panel, and on the trading panel you can see there is a open trade button, a close trade, a buy, and then this buy you can actually switch it to sell or buy. So here you can decide the direction, and then there's a trailing stop. Green is enabled. You can disable the trailing stop if you wish, and then by default there's a close without profit. So this is the button that you will use when you enter into a trade and you think that this is the price does not go in the favor of your direction, and you decide to close it and you wish to close without profit. So this is the button that you can use. It's the same concept. Green is enabled, red is disabled. And then you also can see a few label here. There's a bet, which is like you can see now is 40 bucks. So bet basically is the risk per trade. So means like if you hit the stop loss, if you didn't enable the trading stop, if you hit the stop loss, the maximum that you can lose is 40. And now we have a stop loss of 80 point, and this is reset in the configuration, which you can change it later. And you also can see now the lot size is 0.5. So for each trade you actually open a 0.5 lot size. And then you also have the win. So if you hit the price target or the TP, you will actually get 80 bucks. So now it's using a risk reward ratio of 2, because the risk is 40 bucks, the win is 80 bucks. And then if you click into the configuration, you can see a few configuration here. So you have a percentage of capital to risk in one trade. So this configuration and the lot size is you only can enable one of it. So if you already set something in the lot size, the first configuration will be ignored. So if I put this to 0, right, and you observe the number here will change. Yeah, as you can see, just now we are setting only 1% of capital to risk in one trade. So the balance is 200. So 1% is $2. So now it becomes 2 and 4. Yep, and then you can see the lot size is changed to 0.02. And of course, if you don't want to use this setting, you can always set like now if I want to trade with 0.1, I can set 0.1. And then if I click OK, you can see it change. So now like I'm betting $8 and potential win is 16. And I also can change the stop loss. If I change it to 100 point, and it will become $10 per bet, win is 20. And I also can increase the risk reward ratio to 3. Then you can see now the win is 30 and bet is 10. And all this will actually use to calculate the TP and the stop loss, so that you does not need to calculate manually. And inside here we also have expert mode. So expert mode means that if you want to just open a trade without the confirmation dialogues, then you can enable it. I can show you later. And then the last one is the minimum profit for the close without profit button. So you can use the close without profit button if you enable it. As long as the trade turn into positive, the EA will close it in a split second. However, if you want to set like minimum you must have $1 profit or $2 profit. You can set it here, and you will only close it when it turns into $1 or $2, depend on your setting here. So for example, now if I want to open a trade, I can open a trade now, and then there's always a confirmation dialog. Are you sure you want to open with a market price? You can click yes. Yeah, you can see it already opened with a trade, and it's buy because here I'm setting buy, and it has a stop loss, it has a profit target, yeah. And then and of course if I want to close it, I will have a confirmation dialog too, and then this will close order including order with loss. If I say yes, it will close it. So I lost $1.30 just now. And if I change it to without the expert mode, with the expert mode, sorry, yes, okay, then if I click now, there will be no confirmation dialog anymore. It will just directly open. Yep. And okay, now it's a buy, it's going down, not sure it will go up or not, and I also can close it. There's no confirmation dialog too because it's in export mode. Okay, next I will show you how to open a pending order. So this use case is actually for breakout to trading when the price breaks up. So for example, if you can see I switch the chart to a longer term, and then so now you can probably see this line here is the kind of the resistance, and if it breaks out from this line, there is a higher chance that most likely it will continue to go up. So in this case, I can put a line here. So this is 1.10452, and then you can also see at the bottom here there's an open buy order when the price hit 1.10452. Then I can open a pending order. Ask you whether you want to open. Then I click yes. So this is the pending order. It's not really executed yet because you can see there's a line here. It's waiting for the price to break this line, then the order will fulfill, and then it will have a stop loss and a profit target as per show as per your configuration in the EA.